So, I'm fixing to make something that I think is so good. I'm one of those crazy people that even though I'm type 2 diabetic, I just love a little bite of something sweet before I go to bed. And I'm real conscientious about taking my medicine. I mean, I take my medicine just like I'm supposed to. And so as long as my A1C is in a good place, I'll allow myself that little something sweet before I go to bed. So this is a bread and butter custard, y'all. And this is going to be perfect to satisfy that little bitty bite of something sweet. So I have my bread. This is just regular bread that the crust has been removed from.
You need one more piece.
And I'm 1 piece short. So y'all bear with me. Okie dokie. So we want to butter our bread. And we're buttering it on both sides. Okie doke. So I'm going to scald my milk. This is really simple. And you see I've got one pan sitting inside the oven because I'm going to have to add hot water to this. And now that's supposed to stay up there. I had it up there. There. It's just going to take a little bit of encouragement. I'm scalding my milk. And then I'm going to just slightly beat my eggs. Let me get that out of the way. I'm going to add my sugar. So that's what's going to take it from bread to dessert. Is that sugar. Okay, a little vanilla. And then I've got some cinnamon and I've got some fresh nutmeg that I'm going to sprinkle on top of this when we get it all done. Now I'm slowly going to add my scalded milk to my eggs. I do not want them to scramble. Don't want no scrambled eggs. Oops, I went a little heavy on that one. But I think we've got enough warm with the cold. I can't hardly wait. I'm going to go ahead and put my eggs over my buttered bread because I am using a smaller baking dish than what it called for. Excuse me. But I didn't have a bigger pan to set my 13 by 9 by 2 in. So now I'm just going to dare to add a little bit more of the scalded milk. Oh, and I'm so glad I just thought about this. Do not use 2%. Use your whole milk because the other has water in it and you don't want this to turn to water. Okay? And I have some boiling water sitting right here. But I'm going to take this to the oven. And I'm going to put my dish in the oven. And then I'll pour the hot water in there. So I just don't want to walk with it full of water and me doing this number. Slow down, Paula. Slow down. So sprinkle the top with cinnamon. Okay, that looks pretty even. And now I'm going to if you can, one nut got down. Try to always, in your recipes that call for nutmeg, always try to use the fresh. This one's being stubborn. Nutmeg is real strong, so I think that will do it. So in the oven we go. Okay, I want this to, why don't we cut on some light? We want this as high up as I can get it. As close to this pan as I can without it running over. Is it starting to float?
It is starting to float. That was kind of where I was.
Yeah. Okay, so here we go. And you'll want to make sure that you use hot water because that'll give that bread custard a good start. If it goes in 45. A little powdered sugar for the top. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Now I'm going to let that cool for a minute. Because it's probably going to need to do a little bit more setting up. So when it's cool enough to put it in my mouth, I'll be right back. Now I may be rushing this a minute, y'all, because I just couldn't resist. I went ahead and dipped me up a little bowl full. And if you like egg custard pie, you're gonna love this dish. It's good either cold or warm. And it's just that bite of something sweet before you go to bed. Oh, it's good. It is so good. So you'll make sure that you want to use, I'd probably use half and half. But you don't want to use anything but whole sweet milk, whole milk, to use in this recipe for heavy cream or anything but like reduced fat milks. And like I said, I think you're going to love it. I know I love it. And I love you too. So loving best dishes, yum.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.